Cash advance apps do not all deliver money at the same speed because deposit timing depends on the app, transfer method, bank processing, and whether you choose standard or faster delivery. By the end, you'll know how to compare cash advance apps by real deposit speed and what affects how quickly money reaches your account. The fastest cash advance app is not always the same for everyone. Your bank, account connection, and the delivery option you select can change the timing. Most cash advance apps follow a similar process. You request an advance. The app reviews your eligibility, and then the money is sent using the delivery method you choose. Apps like Dave, Bridget, MoneyLion, Instacash, Earnin, and similar services are often compared for speed because users want access to money before payday. The key difference is how each app handles approval and transfer options. Start by checking whether the app offers instant delivery or only standard delivery. Faster options may come with additional fees, while standard transfers may take longer depending on your bank. The approval step also affects deposit speed. If an app needs extra information to verify your account or income, the process can take longer before the transfer even begins. Bank processing is another factor. Even after an app sends the money, your bank may control when the deposit becomes available. To compare deposit speed correctly, look at the full process from request to money received. An app that approves quickly but has slower transfer options may not be faster overall. You should also check the AP app's estimated delivery times before requesting an advance. The timing shown during the request process gives you a better idea of when to expect the funds. Avoid choosing an app based only on claims that it is the fastest. Actual delivery depends on your account setup and the transfer method available to you. Before using a cash advance app, connect your account early and review the available delivery options. This helps you understand what speed you can realistically expect before you need the money. The main points are simple. Deposit speed depends on more than the app name. Faster transfers may have different costs, and your bank can affect the final timing. Compare the complete deposit process before choosing a cash advance app, and subscribe for more financial app comparisons.